Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the machine. Make sure you are on an administrator account and Photoshop is closed so changes apply cleanly. Once done, save any open documents and, if you want, export preferences for rollback. Now open the system firewall or network control panel. This is where you will block outgoing traffic. You will be changing rules that affect all applications, so move deliberately and keep this window handy for the next steps. Next, create a specific outbound rule targeting Photoshop's executable. On Windows, choose New Outbound Rule Program Point to Photoshop. EXE. On Mac OS, use PF or a third-party app firewall to restrict the app. Specify block connection, apply to all network profiles, and include both TCP and UDP to be safe. If you need finer control, add remote IP ranges to deny or restrict Adobe servers. Make sure to name the rule clearly so you can identify it later and enable it immediately. Finally, verify by launching Photoshop and testing cloud features, libraries, and Adobe stock. These should fail to connect. If the app still reaches the internet, inspect background services like Adobe CEF Helper or Creative Cloud Processes and block those executables too. Make sure system proxy or VPN settings aren't bypassing firewall rules. If licensing or update checks break, temporarily disable the rule or whitelist specific Adobe servers. Otherwise, keep the block and monitor for required updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.